Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed you my Amazon haul, and in this video I'm going to be testing out these acrylic pouring paints by Arteza. I've got the 32 set. It comes with 28 colours. They're 60ml each or 2 fluid ounces, and I have never tried pouring acrylics before, so I'm really excited to give these ones a go. I will link absolutely everything in today's video in the description box if you are interested in trying out any of the materials. So let's get straight into it. The box is really sturdy, and in the set you get all of the paints really nicely organised, and it is divided down the middle with this piece of cardboard. I'm going to show you all of the colours. The very basics of this set come with 4 white pouring acrylics, 2 Mars black acrylics, and also 1 silver grey. You get 2 of each of the primary colours, and you also get 2 greens within the set. My favourite thing about this Arteza pouring acrylic set is that it actually comes with 3 different types of interesting colours. So we've got these metallics, 6 very vibrant neon colours, and then lastly this 32 Arteza pouring acrylic set comes with these really pretty pastel colours as well. I have just stored mine in the box like this for now, so I can easily grab whatever coloured paint I want for the piece that I'm working on. And yeah, I'm going to get started and try these out. I'm going to start out really tiny to begin with. So I've got 4 of these miniature canvases, and I'm going to just use these ones first of all, just to see how well this paint flows and just to get a feel for it before I use it on some of the bigger canvas boards that I have got. So I'm just going to experiment first of all on this tiny one, and then I will make a larger one. So I'm going to start with this white. Oh, I think each of the paints, by the looks of it, have got a seal on the top there that needs taking off. It flows out, by the looks of it, very easily. Can you see that? I'm going to add in some of this neon pink. I think this is going to look nice against that blue and the white. Okay, I'm going to see how well it moves on the canvas now that it's here. Let's see what I can do with it. I feel really nervous because I've never used it before. I'm going to add a bit of gold in there as well, actually. I think that will look nice. I really love these swirls of blue and pink here together. I'm not sure how well that picks it up at the moment with my lamp reflecting on the paint, but it's looking really cool so far. So you can control it quite easily. It doesn't run off really fast. You can really manipulate that paint into a direction. Oh, that looked like a little unicorn. I think I'm going to leave that one there as it is because I think that looks really I really like that. Okay, I have got this little potter's wheel. It's just a handheld potter's wheel, and I'm going to see if I can create one with just a little bit of motion on it to give a little bit of movement. I think I'm going to start again with some white in the center. I really like this sea green color. I think that's such a nice color. And I'm going to also add in a bronze and also this rose pink. I'm hoping, oh, I've got some on the table. I'm hoping that I will be able to just get a nice effect just with the movement of my potter's wheel. That didn't quite work how I thought it would. I think these colours look really pretty together. I don't know about you, what do you reckon? Do you think these colours look nice on here? What would you go for if you were creating yours from this Arteza set? Let me know in the comments what paint combinations you would try out for yourself. I'm gonna try spinning that again. Bit of a disappointment, that one. It's one of those things that looks really easy, but actually when you try it, it's a learning curve. I've now got a larger canvas, and I've also got a pouring jug, which I'm going to use because I've seen a lot of videos where people use these sorts of pouring methods onto their canvas. And I've also seen a lot where people use a blowtorch. So I haven't got a blowtorch, but I do have my heat gun. So I'm going to see how these pouring acrylics react to the heat, and we will test that out as well. So that's my colour scheme that I'm going to go for this one. So a lot darker. I'm going to start with my black, and I'm going to just pour some of that in there. Got my colours. This gold with this black looks really nice. It's got a really nice deep colour with that green showing through and some of that gold. I really like that. After experimenting with the heat gun, it has bubbled up in a couple of areas, so it did create an entire bubble underneath the actual paint surface, and it's left this looking quite ruckled in a couple of areas. So I think the way forward is not to hold it on for too long because it does really react to the heat. I'm going to just put some of this white paint down, and then I'm going to smooth over with my palette knife, because this is what I've seen people doing on YouTube when they make the paint pouring videos. Here goes. Let's hope that this one works better. So I have prepped the canvas with that paint already, and I'm just going to let gravity do its thing. So I've swapped out my heat gun for a hairdryer with a flat head on it, and I'm using it on a cool setting. I'm just going to try and move this acrylic paint across with this. I'm just going to pour a little bit more paint on the edges here and then start to try and combine a few more of those really bright colours in there. I'm really pleased with how this one's looking. Oh, I love this one. It's like a galaxy. I think it looks amazing. Just want to try and add some more up here to fill in that space. I love these vibrant colours here, so I'm going to try and get some more of that in. Okay, I'm going to create one with a black background this time. So all of the other ones that I have created have been on a white base, but I really want to try one with a black base. I'm now going to add some of the neon pink because I really liked this along with some of my other pieces that I've created. And I'm going to go diagonally across here in 3 rows. And I'm going to use my hairdryer and I'm just going to merge these colours in with the black. So this is one of the ideas that I've seen on Pinterest and I thought it looked really effective, so I'm going to give it a go for myself. I didn't have as much control over mine as I saw on those Pinterest ideas, but I do quite like some of the results that I have got. I particularly like these bits here, and I also really like the really bright pinks within this one. Okay, I'm going to create one more, and for this one I'm going to go with all of the pastel colours and maybe a little bit of metallic. My canvas is a little bit dirty, but I am going to go over with the white pouring acrylic. Got myself a straw and actually I'm going to use that to just gently blow out this acrylic paint as I turn it. I absolutely loved making this video. It was so much fun just trying out a different type of paint and also being a little bit looser with the work and creating a few more abstract pieces. This one is my absolute favourite. I think the blues against those pinks is just so nice. Let me know in the comments which one of these techniques you are going to try. If you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on any of my future videos. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.